my name's Amir, this is the Lamborghini Gallardo Balboni Edition, and this is CBS Automotive. Now, here we like to do the impossible, and today we are going to be looking into the absolute mission of a task, which is installing parking sensors into this Lamborghini Gallardo. Now, an absolute world first here, guys. It's absolutely incredible what the team have managed to do, and it is worth it. The process takes time, takes patience and skill, and that is what the team here at CBS Automotive pride themselves on. So what have we installed? So this client has opted to go for the front parking sensor solution. Now, a very normal upgrade on any other car that you might have seen in our other videos. However, on the Lamborghini Gallardo, it is no easy task. So what the work involved today was getting the car in. Now, when any car comes into us, it first gets a full inspection throughout the whole vehicle and specifically where we'll be working. So this client opted to go for a button activated option for the parking sensors. We can do this completely automatically with no physical button in the car, but the client opted to go for a button activated option. Now, what the work involves is obviously first the inspection, and then after that, a lot of CAD and 3D design to make the custom brackets for each sensor. The client really wanted to keep this install as discreet as possible. That was the mission, and that is what we've achieved. So the 3D printing took place of the whole front bumper so that we can get a good idea of where we can build our brackets and how that process can take place. After that was many hours refining and fine-tuning all of the different parts so we're able to get the best finish possible, and then it's time for the printing. So a really delicate and special stage of any install, especially one like this, is making sure the print comes out perfect, and then the further modification to make sure it fits this specific car. Now, being the Balboni Edition, there's not many of these vehicles on the road today. So keeping the install of the button where we can turn the parking sensors on and off was really important to keep that as hidden as possible. We didn't want to make any cuts or holes into the leather in the interior, and so what we've done is again custom and 3D printed a bracket that holds the button underneath the dash, still accessible, but out of sight, out of view. If you didn't know, you wouldn't know. And that has provided a really neat and clean solution. So if you're interested in having a similar installation done on your Lamborghini Gallardo or a similar vehicle like this, and you want something done to the best standards, feel free to get in contact with myself or my team and we can get this arranged for you. And if you've enjoyed today's video, feel free to subscribe to this one and like it, and I'll see you in future videos. Thank you.